Hey guys, good morning. How you doing? Hope everybody is having a blessed day. Today is Tuesday and I am in my room. And this video is going to be a little bit different. This video is going to be a DIY in my room and just basically hanging some things up. I have a makeup stand kind of situation that I need to spray paint down and everything. So yeah, but guys, if you don't know who I am, my name is Abia. I make particular type of content dealing with fitness and everything like that, but I am introducing other type of content here to the channel. So reason for DIY. So I hope that you do enjoy. I'm sorry that it sounds like I'm out of breath. I just went up a flight of stairs. So yeah, but let me show you what we got going on. All right, guys, so this is my room. I never showed it to you guys. This is my own personal room. So this is all my business stuff here when I was running my business. That's everything there. I also have some stuff in the other room that I did put away. This here is a stand that we're going to be tackling today, that I'm going to be spray painting today. Heater, closet, and then this is my makeshift pretty much meditation situation. This is pretty much where I sit, meditate, edit, be with myself, however you want to name it. And then over here is pretty much like my computer area. I barely use this computer. I actually just updated it yesterday. So actually I updated it on Saturday. This is the wall that we're going to be pretty much tackling today. And this is just the other side of the room. As you can see, I'm trying to do something with the greenery and everything. I want to get another plant that's going to go down there, that last shelf. I'm not going to put anything at the top, at the bottom of it. That's going to stay the way that it is. I have to do something with this water pitcher situation, but I think I'm going to wind up getting like a basket and putting the items for my plants and so forth in that basket. I'm thinking probably like a wicker basket. And then, yeah, so this is the room. So I want to show you what I picked up. And I actually kicked this to the side when I was showing you guys the room. So this is the stuff that I got to put on the wall that's up here. And I'm going to post my inspiration. I'll post it here so that you guys can see. It's not to the T or anything like that. I think I'm probably going to be adding one more item, and it's going to be a succulent plant on this side. But I'm going to use these wraps here, or these holders that they have, and these are actually real succulents, but I'm going to purchase a new succulent. So that one is there and that one is there, but I'm gonna have one on that side that's going to hang there up on the wall. And then I got these from the Goodwill, no, Second Avenue, Second Thrift Stores, located in Jersey. That's where I purchased these two paintings. Well, they're not paintings. They're actually correction, like knitted in. And I thought it was really cute. So we're going to be taking these out of the frame, and then we're going to be transferring them to this frame. And then we're going to be hanging everything else. I'm going to wind up taking this cord off of here. I got this from Hobby Lobby for $5.99. I'm going to take that cord off and just pretty much hang it the way that it is. I don't need the cord. We're going to hang our little heart situation. And yeah. So this is what we're going to be using. This is going to be the hook to hang this, the heart thing. We're going to put a hole in the wall for that. But I have my measuring tape. I have something to take off the nails that's back here. And then we have our tape, painter's tape for that makeup situation. And then I'm not sure if you guys seen this before. It's the first time I've seen it. This is called Tacky. This is supposed to be good for using to hang pictures so that you don't make holes on your walls. I'm not exactly sure how it's going to work out because it's the first time I'm using it, but I'm hoping it works out well. And then these are the picture frames, like I mentioned, that I am going to be using. All right, guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is tackle this shelf here. I'm going to spray paint it with this spray paint here. Just a basic white paint primer. It's a white gloss situation. Nothing fancy or anything like that. I am going to open up the windows so that it's circulating in here and we're not getting high off of spray paint. I'm hoping this project is not going to take me more than 45 minutes because me and Bae are about to leave soon. Today is actually our wedding anniversary, but we have to head to the city and then do some running around. So I'm hoping this project doesn't take me more than 45 minutes. Let's cross our fingers. I'm going to put you guys up on a tripod. Probably the rest of this video is going to be a voiceover so that it's just easier for me. But we'll see. I may decide to talk, but we'll see what happens. All right, guys, I'll be back.
You never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm reading a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're gone, I miss your face. Later talk, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better.
Alright guys, so I'm back home. Pretty much we got nothing done earlier. I was rushing and everything, and it was a complete fail. It was honestly a complete fail. This right here, guys, this, don't waste your money purchasing this. This is complete basura. Basura, basura, basura. So I will not be getting that again. I wish I could return that back to Hobby Lobby and just write on there complete fail, you know, and it didn't work. But I'm just gonna eat the $3 and some change. So right now we're kind of revamping this whole situation because I had cracked one of the frames because it fell off the wall. So we are changing up the game plan a little bit and doing something else. Right now I'm about to do a printout on Canva because there's some printout that I want to add to it, to the display. And I want to use this cardstock that I have here. This cardstock is from Michael's, if I'm not mistaken. And it has like all these different type of colors. I'm not exactly sure which color I'm going to be using, but I'm going to put like a saying and then put that in one of the frames. Because I noticed in the picture that I showed you guys earlier, which I'll post it here, is that they had like a saying. So I want to put that up on the wall. So right now, I'm gonna go ahead and do my camera project real quick. I'm gonna do that off camera for you guys, or off camera, period. And then I'll come back once I'm ready to put everything back on the wall, and I'll show you the new items that I purchased from the store. All right, guys, so this is what we are looking like now. I got these picture frames here from a Dollar Tree. So this is pretty much what I think the layout is going to be. And we're just going to hope that this turns out successful. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get started. Sorry, guys, I did not catch the best angle of this. My camera was not pointed in the right direction, but pretty much what I did is I folded that material, that cloth that I had, into the picture frame that I had purchased from Dollar Tree. As you can see, I just pretty much just kind of used the hooks that was on the photo frame to hold the material in. It did relatively a good job. There was nothing about it that I didn't like once I hung it up. So it definitely did what it was supposed to do. So to be honest with you guys, the way that I hang up all the different art, I guess you can say that's the name of it, all the different art that I hung up, I did not follow any rhyme or reason. I laid it on the floor. I thought I was going to do it this particular way. Once I put it on the wall or put it on the wall, it turned out completely different than how I in my head or how it was on the floor, how everything was just laid out. So I just went with how, my gut was going and hanging everything up. I'm trying to make sure everything was, aligned properly. Nothing was slanted or anything like that, because who wants to look at a slanted wall of, pictures hanging up and or art hanging up? So I did make sure that I did that, and honestly, you're going to see towards the end of the video that it came out really, really, really cute. It was a very small and simple project. I'm glad that, it came out so well. I'm actually right now sitting in my room editing, and I'm looking at the wall, and I'm like, wow, I did a really good job on, that space. So, I'm happy about it. So guys, I got some adhesive stickers from Dollar Tree, and to be honest, it was way better than that tacky stuff that I bought from Hobby Lobby. It did what it was supposed to do. I am looking at it now, and nothing has fallen or shifted or anything like that. Like, soon as I put that tacky up on the wall, my picture frame had came down and cracked. So definitely, guys, if you're looking to hang something up and making sure it stays up on your wall, just get the little adhesive stickers from Dollar Tree. You would not be, disappointed or anything about it. Alright guys, so this is what the wall is now looking like. I hope you guys can see. And it didn't take me that long, especially because I wasn't rushing. I definitely can add something like right here if I wanted to. So I might try to find like a small plant or something to put right here. Just something that I could just stick onto the wall just to get that filled in right there. But this is what we are looking like so far. I think that this came out really nice. Imagine with all your mind, believe with all your heart, achieve with all your might. I found that on Etsy. So I just took the words and wrote them out, used Canva to put the information and print it out. And I already had the cardstock paper. So this is what we are looking like. I'm liking it. And then our table is over here. It's pretty much dry. There is a couple of little spots here and there that is a little bit warped, but I really don't care about that. Essentially, I just wanted to get those gray spots off of there. And I'm going to let this dry overnight before I put anything on it. I probably won't put anything on it until probably tomorrow night once I, get back home from work. So guys, I hope that you have enjoyed my DIY. Hopefully this gave you some type of inspiration if there's spots in the room that you want to fill up, and maybe that, my little wall here or what have you gave you a little bit of inspiration. But yeah, so that is pretty much it. I have nothing else to say. So therefore, if you have enjoyed the video, again guys, as I said, support me by giving the video a thumbs up, subscribing to the channel, hitting the notification button, and hitting the share button. God willing, I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure you treat each other kindly. Make sure you treat yourself kindly. And that is about it. All right, guys, I will talk to you later. Bye. Hey guys, so it is time to announce the winner for September giveaway of $25, either to an Amazon gift card or to your PayPal account. And I am so excited, and we got to give a round of applause. So thank you everybody. Before I even jump into the winner, thank you everybody for participating in the giveaway. I'm glad that you listened to your girl and you put your hat in or your name in for the giveaway. So that just made it more fun and everything. I just ain't gotta select just one person. Like, because $25, like I said, is a lot of money. So with that being said, the person who has won the giveaway for September 2023 is D's Keto Fitness TV. Woo! Girl, you won $25 either to Amazon or to PayPal. Basically, pretty much what you got to do is just contact me on Instagram. We will correspond on there. I will get the $25 out to you, and pretty much that will be the end of that. Nice and simple. So congratulations to you, D's Keto Fitness TV. I am happy that you won $25. Also, I appreciate the comment that you left on my video. It definitely is inspiration to hear that you lost so much weight. And, you know, girl, just keep doing it. Just keep motivated. I'm here to support you. The rest of us here on the channel, we're here to support you and everything. So I'm just so happy to, you know, have read that comment. And your comment just inspires me to just stay motivated on my fitness journey. So congratulations to you on your weight loss. All right, guys, I will talk to you in the next video. I'm going to say it again. Just make sure that, you know, you subscribe to the channel, okay? Make sure you give the video a thumbs up. Make sure that you share the video, and make sure that you post a comment. And if ever you want to directly reach out to me, you can always go on Instagram. Reach out to me on Instagram as well. I'm on Facebook. My information is down below. I now have a link tree, so all my information is down below. So all my social media information is there if you ever need to contact me. All right, guys, God willing, I will see you in the next video. Bye.